Hi, this week I researched Web 2.0 tools for cartoon creation. This was a new area that I wanted to explore to see its use in the classroom. I'd seen some of this, earlier on in other classes, but wanted to see what I could do, see if somehow I could incorporate this into my classroom. I looked at a number of different cartoon creation programs and decided to go with ToonDoo. This is a pretty simple one to use to make the cartoons. Just to give you a little overview, you do have to create an account. It is a free source, but to create a new toon, you just need to select the layout. And then it gives you a number of things that you can add into the program, such as characters, backgrounds. So we could perhaps pick a space background here. And we can add props in here, anything from trees to things inside the house, logos, sports. You can add in, of course, your text. There's also some special effects, some open clip art, and stuff from the gallery that you can use. Going back to the main page, I'll go ahead and show you the ToonDoo that I made. And they do save them back, plus you do have a link for an external site, so you could link something directly to it. But this is the ToonDoo that I created. I decided that I would use this tool in my classroom to present patient scenarios in a clinical environment. I actually had a student joke around with me last week about, they had a patient scenario that was kind of ironic, and they said, we should just make cartoons of these and put them up somewhere. So I went ahead and did it. So here's my cartoon on that patient scenario that actually happened, and put it in here. It's talking about one of the things that we do is we draw blood for an arterial blood gas, and it actually checks the carbon dioxide in the blood and tells us about their ventilation. So we had a scenario where the patient's family said, yeah, I know what that is. You're looking for carbonation in the blood. So first thing is the students need to be able to pick up on what it is wrong in this, how they would handle the situation. And specifically this one talks about patient education. How do we educate our patients and family on what we're doing and the importance of that procedure. So another thing that I thought about with using the ToonDoo was actually having students create their own scenarios that they can share with others in the class. This would allow them, of course, to have some creativity. They can go ahead and, provide experiences they've had and turn them into learning experiences, and we can have the other students kind of collaborate. There is a function that allows others to redo your toon so that they could collaborate on one. The one thing about ToonDoo is it is very simple. There's not a lot of choices in backgrounds. There's not a lot of choices in what you can do. So if you want to get very detailed, ToonDoo would not be the site for you to use. There is a limited number of slides, and I would say this is only for short cartoons. If you want to do something, a lot more detailed, a lot longer, ToonDoo is probably not the place to choose. So this is my ToonDoo, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hi, this week